Hello friends, welcome again to my video, and in this video I just want to share with you learn English while doing everything. Yes friends, you heard me right. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, so this tips is very helpful for you if you are a beginner and if you are a truly beginner and if you are want to speak English. So that this video is going to be very helpful for you. So just watch this video till the end and try to move forward again and again and try to take steps to according to improve your English. So friends, this is a very natural look like this amazing, and it's a rain, still rain. If you might be see that water drops, and today in my village has a lot of rain. If you see that there is land, if you see that there's land, and this land is filled of water, a lot of water, okay, and look like amazing, and I really enjoy this moment because rainy season I love a lot. Okay, it's my favorite season because I very enjoy this season. It's my favorite season, and taking bath in rain, I love this. So, and while doing work, house chores, my clothes got wet. If you see that my clothes are got wet, but now I feel happy because it's a rain and I very enjoyable this moment. It's a very beautiful nature, and if you are a villager, so that imagine this beautiful nature. Okay, and friends, just I want to share with you some tips for improve your English according to speak English. Just follow these techniques and improve your English, as well as working, as well as doing house chores. Okay, so friends, first of all, think in English. Okay, and if you just do any work, like any kind of work, but just do and try to think what I am doing now, and try to think that what is this, and what I am doing. If I enjoy and think a lot, and try to think I'm enjoying in I'm enjoying rain. It's a look natural, it's a very amazing look. So these types of thing, if you make your mind think in English, so this is a very very effectively work to improve your English. So first of all, I highly recommend that you improve your thinking, okay, in English. And another thing is while doing work, try to listen any English cartoon videos. Yes, while doing work, any kinds of work, just put your headphone in your ears and listen any kinds of video, but in English. Okay, just listen. Okay, and listen again and again. And if you have time to any free time, so that you can try to imitate. Friends, imitation is most important. It's a very effectively working is improve your English speaking. Friends, I already do this technique. I already continue, because I'm not fluent speaker. I just started my English journey, so that I listen a video and I try to imitate. Just listen and I try to again and again repeat that video. Okay, imitation it's a very helpful for me, so that I can suggest you. Okay, so try to imitate every time when you have free time, and when you have alone, and whatever doing, if you like that, and try to imitate. Okay, it's a very important for according to improve your English. And another thing is but not only your mind imitate with your loudly. Try to imitate loudly. Okay, it's a it's a very important for improve your English. Okay, so friends, I highly recommended you imitation. Okay, try to imitation, improve your imitation skills while uh, while watching any kind of video. It's a very important for according to improve your English. Okay friends, and the another thing is read aloud. Yes, read aloud. Friends, reading is most important for speaking English. It's a very necessary to improve your English, because reading is not improve only your reading, it's improve your you know tongue, and improve your uh, you know I can't say properly, but it's a Hindi. आप किसी चीज़ को अच्छे से नहीं बोल पाते हैं इंग्लिश में, तो आप उसको दो तेज़ तेज़ जब पढ़ने लगेंगे तो वो चीज़ें जो है कि आपके मुंह से निकलने लगेंगी. Friends, then try to speak loudly. Okay, if you read any kind of book, just try to again and again read, because if you familiar these words, then you can understand easily. If you not know about this word, then you not understand easily. So repeat again and again, read again and loudly. Okay friends, and these things, it's very helpful for me, so that I want to recommend it you, so that I want to suggest you. Friends, it's my personal opinions. I do this technique. In this technique I learning my English language. And the last and the most important, this, make yourself every single day. Record yourself every single day. Okay friends, recording, it's a very necessary. Recording, it's a very effectively work on that speaking. Friends, when I was beginner, I don't know anything. I don't know words, even a single words. I don't know make sentence phrases. I don't know anything. But just I try to record myself, then I listen myself again and again, then I feel, yes, I can speak English. Friends, it's all about practice. If you have practice, then all things will happen. So that I recommended you, I love to recommend you, I love to suggest you, record yourself every single day. And not only record, just listen and try to catch these mistakes while speaking. Okay, and and then try to remove these mistakes. And don't be afraid to making mistakes. It's a part of learning. It's a learning process. Okay, so friends, make your record yourself every single day. Okay, and listen again and again, and try to remove those mistakes. That's fine. And English speaking, it's all dependent only practice. Okay, if you have practice, then you will become a fluent speaker. If you not practice, then it's very it's difficult for you. So it's all dependent on practice, so that practice again and again, record yourself again and again. Okay, and friends, to be honest, I don't have any proper words to speak English. I don't have any kind of knowledge while according to speak English. But I want to speak English. When I started my English journey, I don't know about this language, how to speak, how to make yourself in English, how to think in English. So it's a very challenging for me, but I can try again and again. I tried again and again. Then today I can speak English in front of you. Okay, so that without hesitation, just start your journey and try to do it. It's all about a practice, not a very hard, and I would say not a very easy. Okay, so yes. Okay, so I just want to take a bath because my clothes go to it. And if I not change my clothes, then I become sick. It's you know I become sick. So I want to just take a bath and do some house chores, like I have to do uh, dishes. I have to do dishes. Okay, so just till then, take care and make yourself in English started to your English journey. I would say I love to suggest you start your journey anyhow. Okay, and try to speak English. It's all about practice. So start today and start today and move forward again and again to improve your English to according to speak English. So friends, we'll meet till the next video. Have a nice day. Till then, take care and enjoy this nature. This look like it's amazing. So bye bye.